Question number 99 of paper 2 of Karnataka TET, Maths and Science. So we can see here in this figure, DE is parallel to BC. DE is proportional to BC as 2:5. Then he is asking us area of triangle ADE to the area of trapezium DECB. You can see it here. Now he has got the options 29 by 4, 4 by 25, 4 by 21 and 25 by 4. Let us solve this and let's see where we can go. A, B, C, D, E. DE to BC, the ratio is 2:5. He is asking us the ratio of area of triangle ADE and the area of this trapezium DECB. Trapezium DECB. So it should be actually the square of the proportional sides. That is DE square by BC square. So DE square by BC square, the ratio is 2 by 5 whole square. It will be 4 by 25. Option is that. So 4 by 25 is the correct option. Question number 99. The correct option is third, that is 4 by 25. Let's move on to the next question. Let us see. Question number 100. Let us see what it is. ABCD is a square in which a line segment DP cuts the side BC at P and the diagonal AC at O. If angle COD is equal to 80, the measure of DPB, he is asking, DPB, angle DPB. Let us see how we can calculate this. The options are given 100, 145, 80 and 135. Let us see. 100, 2, 80 degrees, 3, 145 degrees, 4, 135 degrees. Let us see. Now that we have got the question, let us in detail try to solve it. See, this is 80 degrees, this is 80 degrees, this is also 80 degrees because vertically opposite angles. Also, this is 90. Now, this is a diagonal which is the angle bisector. The diagonal AC is the angle bisector of angle DAB. So what we can see here is, if this is totally 90, so this will be 45. If this is 45, this is 80, this is 90. 135 plus 80, 360. O, see, we can see here, it has actually become a quadrilateral OABP, and the angles here are 45 degrees, that is OAB, plus AOP, that is 80 degrees, plus ABP, that is 90 degrees, plus we don't know OPB or DPB, angle DPB. See, measure of angles of quadrilateral is actually 360 is equal to 45 plus 80, 125, 125 plus 90, 215. 215 plus angle DPB. That is now what we do. 360 minus 215 is equal to angle DPB. That is nothing but angle DPB is equal to 145 degree. How it became? Let us start from the beginning. See, we have diagonal AC here. Diagonal AC bisects angle A and angle C. So, if we have to consider like everything, if we have to consider again, see here you can see angle DOC is or COD is 80 degrees. So, angle AOP will also become 80 degrees. Also, because AC is the angle bisector of angle DAB. So if this is totally 90 degree, so angle OAB will be 45 degrees. If this is 45 and this is 80, and also the angle B is right angle, that is 90 degrees, sum of these three angles, that is 90 plus 45, 135, 135 plus 80, that is 215. And this AOPB is actually a quadrilateral. So sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Okay. So in quadrilateral OAPBP, the sum of angles is 360. So we sum it up. 360 is equal to 215 minus 215 plus DPB. What we get is angle DPB is equal to 145. Option 3 is the correct answer. Next, we will move on to the next question, please. Chaliye. Let's see. Question number 101. On dividing 16 into two parts A and B, such that twice the square of the larger part exceeds the square of the smaller part by 164. Then the parts of that number are, he is asking, dividing 16 into two parts. Suppose we are dividing it into two parts, that is A and B. A and B. So what he is saying, twice the square of the larger part exceeds the square of the smaller part by 164. Here we are making two parts into 16. A plus B is equal to 16. B is equal to 16 minus A. So one number is A, another number is 16 minus A. Now definitely A will be bigger or 16 minus A will be bigger. Either of the two. If suppose A is a smaller number, 16 minus A will be a bigger number. So what he is asking us is such that the twice of the square of the larger part, twice the square of the larger part exceeds the square of the smaller part by 164. Let's see, twice the square of the larger part. He is asking us if 16 minus A is the larger part, then twice the square of the larger part exceeds the square of the smaller part by 164. Let's do this. 2 into 16 square, that is 256 minus 32A plus A square is equal to A square plus 164. Now that is 512 minus 64A plus 2A square is equal to A square plus 164. Solving it, what we get? Let's see. A square minus 64A minus 512 minus 164. 12 minus 4, 8. Uh, 12 minus 4, 8. What we get here is 10 minus 6, 4. And 4 minus 1, 3. So 348 equal to 0. Now split 348. It's actually plus 348. We have to split this middle term into two numbers such that their sum is 64, the product is 348. So we'll take the factors of 348 here. Start with 2, 174, 2, 87, 3, 29, 29, 1. So the factors are 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 29. 12 and 29. So 58 and 6. A square minus 58 a minus 6a plus 348 equal to 0. So a minus 58 a minus 6 equal to 0. A equal to 58, a equal to 6. So if a equal to 58, the other number is 16 minus a, that is 42. But because the sum has to be 16, the sum has to be 16, so this is wrong. So we will take a is equal to 6, then 16 minus a, that is 16 minus 6 becomes 10. Let us see if it holds or not. Twice of 16 minus a, that is 16 minus 6 whole square is equal to a square, that is 36 plus 164. Let's see. 2 into 16 minus 6, that is 10. 10 square, that is, it becomes 200, and this is also becoming 200. So this is correct. So the correct option is in this case the numbers are, then the parts of the numbers are 10 and 6. Option number 3 is the correct option. So for this question, the option number 3, for 101 question number, option number 3, that is 10, 6 are the correct answer. Okay, let's move on to A, P, Q, B, sorry, angle B here. This is 145 degrees. C, S, R. Now some things are given here. PQ is parallel to RS. Angle BAQ is equal to 145 degrees. Angle BCS is equal to 2S to 3. Measure of angle ABC is asking us. Okay. So the options, we'll see. The options are 72, 108, 105, 107. Okay. Let us see one by one. Angle BAQ. Angle BCR. BCR and BCS are in the ratio 2:3. It means BCR and BCS, BCR 2x, this is 3x, 2 plus 3, 5x. 5x is equal to 180, that is nothing but x is equal to BCR, BCS is equal to 2s to 3, that is nothing but 2x plus 3x is equal to 180 because they are forming a linear pair here. BCR and BCS are forming a linear pair. So if we want to find out 180 by 5, that is nothing but 36 degrees. X is equal to 36. So 2x is 72 degree. 3x is equal to 108 degrees. So we've got here, this is 72 degrees. This is 108 degrees. Now, what he was asking us, this. Now, this is 108 degrees. This is 108 degrees. And this is 72 degrees. This is 72. This is 72 degrees. This is forming a Z. So this is also 72 degrees. Also, this is 145. So this will be 35 degrees. So this is forming a Z. So this will also be 35 degrees. So it is actually forming a 72 plus 35, that is 7 plus 107 will be the answer. That is the fourth option for question number 102. The option number 4, that is 107 degrees, is the correct answer. 2 root x. Let's see. So the options are x square units, 2x units, root 2x units, or x root 2 to root x units. Let's see. Let's confirm it for once. See, 2x square, 2x, x root 2, 2 root x are the options. Let us see. These are the 4 options that we have. Now, we need to understand that angle A will be 90 degrees. The reason is the angle is opposite to the diameter. The angle opposite to diameter at any point on the circle is 90 degrees. So, when this is 90 degrees and these two sides are having same length, that is AC is equal to AB, so both are of same length, definitely it's an isosceles right angle triangle. So in that case, the diagonal, that is the length of BC will be, BC is equal to x square plus x square under root, that is nothing but 2x square, that is root 2x. The value of BC is root 2x, that is option number 3 will be the correct answer. Actually, in the question paper, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. I have given here A, B, C, D. So you can write for question number 103. Question number 103. The correct option is root 2x units. The option given is 3. Let's move on to the next question. Ratio of total surface area of two cubes. He is asking ratio of total surface area of two cubes. having their volumes in the ratio 1:4. TSA of two cubes. How they are related? Let's see. He is asking us question number 104. Volumes are in the ratio 1:64. TSA, what will be the ratio of TSA? He is asking us. First we need to understand volume of cube is, suppose V1 by V2. Volume ratio is 1/64. So it is actually A1 cube by A2 cube. Now TSA will be TSA1 by TSA2 will be actually 6 A1 square divided by 6 A2 square. Total surface area of cube is 6A, that is 6 into side square. Now from here we can get the ratio of the sides. A1 to A2 will be cube root of this, that is 1/64, that is the cube root is 1/4. So now 6 gets cancelled. What we get is 1 by, this is 4, that ratio is 1/4. Now squaring that ratio we'll get 1/16. The correct options we will see here: 1:4, 1:96, 1:64, 1:16. So the correct option is option number, the correct option in this case is option number 4, that is 1:16. Therefore the answer for 104, question number 104 is option number 4, that is 1:16. So for the question number 105, the diagram is going to be, this is O, B, D, this is C here. Now this is 3.5 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the area of this shaded portion. Very simply, what we'll have to do, we'll have to calculate area of quadrant minus area of triangle AOD. Area of quadrant is theta by 1/4, 22/7, radius is 3.5 into 3.5, minus area of AOD, half into base is 3.5, height is 2. 2 gets cancelled. What we get here is 0.5 now, 2, 11, now 11 5s are 55, 5.5 into 3.5 divided by 2, that is 11 3s are 33 plus 5.5, 38.5 divided by 4, 4 1s are 4 9s are 36, 2 remain, 9.6 4 6 are 24, 1 remain, 9.625 minus 3.5, 9.625 minus 3.5, it becomes 6.125 centimeter square. Let's see the options. 6.125 is the fourth correct answer. The correct answer for question number 105 is the fourth option, that is 6.12. 300 is divided among A, B and C. So let's see the share, how it goes. See, question number 106. Sum of A plus B plus C is equal to 4300. So A is a share of A is a 25% more than C. So it will be A is equal to 5 by 4 of C, and B is a 25% less than C, that is 3 by 4 of C. Therefore A will be 5 by 4 of C, that is C in turn is 3 by 4 of B. So the relation between A and B is this. Now it will be 15 by 16B. A is a 15 by 16B plus B is as it is plus C is a 3 by 4B is equal to 4300. Now we take LCM, that is 16. 15 plus 16 plus this will be 3 4s are 12. B is equal to 4300. That means 15 plus 16 31, 31 plus 12 43. 43B divided by 16 is equal to 4300. B is equal to 4300 into 16 by 43. So it becomes 100. B is equal to 1600. Now A is equal to 15 by 16B. So that is nothing but 15 by 16 into 1600, that is 100. So A is equal to 1500 is the sum. We'll see the option which is correct, that is option number 3 is the correct option here in this case. And the question number 106, the option number 3 is correct. We'll put that here. Option number for question number 6, the option number 3, that is nothing but 1500 is correct. Let's move on to half of AC, that is exactly 5 feet. Now what about BC? BC will become a, now this is 60 degrees, so BC will become a 100 minus 25, that is 75. 75 means 25 into 3, that is nothing but 5 root 3 it will become. This has become 5 root 3. Now because DC we are seeing in the question, because the height of the building is 10 feet more than the height of the pole. Height of the pole has come to be 5 and height of the building is 10 more than that, so it will be 15. Now we have to find out BC. Let us see that. Let us see what will be BD. See, we have got this as 5 root 3, this is 15, so we can find out BD to be under root. This is 75, this is 225, that is nothing but 300, that is nothing but 10 root 3. Our options, let's see if it is present in the options. Yes, the second option is 10 root 3. So the correct option for this one is 10 root 3, 107. Question number 107, option number 2, that is 10 root 3 is the correct